back to my channel. It's like, hi everyone, dun, dun, dun. Like we're dancing, like no. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Shady slime shop review. See what I did? It's Shady slime. Funny, comical. You guys, we are so close to 800,000 on my channel. It would be so cool to hit that new milestone. So if you are watching my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Help me get to 800,000. That'd be so cool to hit a new milestone. I would freak out, to be honest. So yeah, guys, I'm doing a review of the Slime Shady Shop slime account. This package was sent to me. Give this video to 10,100 thumbs up in the first day of posting it. So right now, give it a thumbs up. While you're down there, subscribe. Help me get to 800,000. That'd be so cool. I would literally like I would probably cry, honestly. I'd be like, yo, I'm gonna start crying. I'm gonna go cry right now. For those of you guys wondering, I did purchase a bunch of Secret Shop Etsy packages recently, and they're currently arriving to my apartment. So get excited for those secret shopping slime shop reviews. They are so much fun to do. I love. Last but not least, go follow me on Instagram. My main Instagram is Nichole Jacklyne. It is right up here. And my slime Instagram is Slime by Jacklyne. Also, I do slime restocks every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last Sunday's restock, which was yesterday, by the way, it's Monday right now, did really well. You guys loved it so much. So I'm so hyped to do more restocks for you guys, but I will always have my Etsy shop down below. It's etsy.com/shop/slime by Jacklyne. Yeah. Let's hop into this Slime Shady Shop review. Yeah. So we have the Slime Shady package. I'm literally so excited. Thank you so much to Slime Shady Shop for gifting me this package review for you guys. I'm so excited to do this video to review this package. Inside we have a bunch of packing peanuts, and then we have every slime wrapped up in this amazing bubble wrap, which is so nice. Oh my gosh, there is squishies, you guys. Oh my gosh, there is a little like bread, the little biscuit squishy. This is so precious. I'm gonna open this up real quick because it looks so cute. Oh, it's so cute. This next squishy is, oh, it's a little guy. It looks so stinking cute. Little biscuit guy. Oh, it's super thick. It's a thick squishy. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. So onto the slimes. So we have 3 total slimes, which again, thank you so much for gifting me these slimes to review. It literally means so much to me that someone would take the time to make an order just for me. Like, that's so nice of you. Like, I cannot say it enough. Okay. Okay, so we have, this slime is called Minions Banana. Ooh. I definitely saw this on their Instagram feed and I was like, okay, I'll need that one. I was hoping that I could get it in the review secretly, so I am very happy about that one. And this next one, I also just love the labels. They're just like they're super simple, but they're also super cool looking. Honestly, I mean, they're not super simple, if they're definitely articulate, but they're not overwhelming. That's the word I'm gonna say. They're not overwhelming. This next one is called Strawberry Fanta. The slimes so far feel super thick and just nice, which I love. And this next one is called Mickey Mocha. Oh my gosh. I feel like at this point people know that I like super thick slimes because I just think they're so nice. So we have these 3 slimes. And then we have some extras. We have this little packet of pink glitter. So nice to include that. I love glitter, I love squishes, I love all the above. And we have some candies. We have some bag of borax, and then the back, by the way, they are at Slime Shady. It's Slime Shady Shop on Instagram. So give them a follow. Watch out. Ooh, called the Mickey Mocha. Look at how cute those are. I just ordered these on Etsy actually, these little charms, not charms. They're not sequins and they're not charms, but they don't, those little, I ordered these exact same things off Etsy and I cannot wait to use them. Okay, absolutely so amazing that my entire table is shaking. It's so nice. It's so thick and so nice. A super nice clay slime. The scent is marvelous. The name is so cute. Mickey's Mocha. Like, are you kidding me? That's adorable. It spreads so nice. All right, y'all, overall, I am absolutely speechless. These slimes are incredible. Y'all definitely know that I like thick slimes and I cannot get over how nice this is. And also, I will link down below Slime Shady Shop in the comments if you want to go buy from their shop and their Instagram. It's all linked down below. I couldn't be more impressed with this slime. All these are so nice. I literally couldn't even rank them 1 to 10. Like, they're so nice. Oh, I just love them. Strawberry Fanta. I literally cannot wait. I'm so impressed. Oh, it smells so good. Strawberry Fanta smells delicious. Okay. Seriously, so thick and so nice. Just a super thick and nice glossy slime. This one feels more like bubble pop. Kind of feels like a cream cheese slime, like slightly. If you like thick slimes, this one, and it's for you. Oh my gosh, how cute. Because it's called Strawberry Fanta, we have a little Fanta charm. So precious. I can't get over how nice this slime is. Minions Banana. Oh, it's super thick. It smells just like banana Laffy Taffy. Whoa. This was for sure made with glue all, which is my favorite type of glue. It's so nice. Incredibly thick. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, I can't. I'm obsessed with slime. Like, entirely. Oh my gosh, it has a little Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice this till now. Stop, it has a little minion charm. It's little donut. Stop, that is so cute. Hot. Yeah, overall this slime is actually so incredible. I can't get over how nice and thick it is. Is that all from, and oh my gosh. This is all how much it like inflated. Look at that, that's so nice. We have so much extra slime now. Like, if it were pushed down, let me try and like show you guys. If it were pushed down, it'd be out this much. That's crazy. Alright you guys, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up for more slime review videos. I love doing slime reviews so much, you guys. They are like so much fun to film. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe down below. Help me hit 800,000. That'd be so cool to hit a new milestone. If I should do a giveaway when I hit that, comment down below. What should I give away? What do you guys want to see in a giveaway? Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know. So yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. Go follow me on Instagram at Nichole Jacklyne and Slime by Jacklyne. Both of my Instagram accounts are always down below. And I also do slime restocks every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I did a restock this past Sunday. You guys loved it so much and I had the best time making the slime for you guys. And yeah, also I occasionally will do like packing slime with me, like the whole process of like making the slime before I post an official restock video on this channel. On my vlog channel, Nichole Jacklyne Vlogs. It's down below if you want to go watch my videos and subscribe to my vlog channel. But yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. And yeah, I'm like kind of tired right now because it's literally so early and I have been up since like 4:30 a.m. This morning, you guys, I got up at 4:30 because I wanted to shower before my internship. Because I wanted to film afterward. So I do it for you guys. Like, I'm a little bit tired right now. Okay. But yeah guys, I'll see you really soon. And yeah, bye guys. Bye.